Once you got the height in, then obviously you then have the width, which gives you proportion. If your width is too small, it's going to be out of proportion. If your width is too wide, it's going to be out of proportion against your height. So if your height is here and your width is there and it's correct and true, then great. So you've got top mark, bottom mark, left and right. 4 marks, that's it. So we've got the lid and we've got the base. Now let's go for the bottom of the lid. At least I know I've got something to gauge by. And I'm going to just put an angle in on that. When you are drawing something out, do be really mindful. Don't put a big thick mark in. Try and be as precise as you can. So where's this other bottle going? Okay, we've got a bit of constructing to do, so let's put a line across here. So we're definitely making some small line changes now. Okay, so let's look at now adding some dark. So the raw umber and the French ultramarine blue mixed together will go pretty much a black, as you can see there. What is light, you put in as light. What is dark, you put in as dark. Now, that sounds a bit like an oversimplification, but if you did that, it would, in actual fact, resemble precisely what you're painting and drawing without you actually knowing what it is that you're painting or drawing. Take in some of the French ultramarine blue, and I'm just going to pop some in just to see what it looks like. So let's lighten that up. We've got a bit of light grey here, keeping the big highlight so we don't lose the position of that. And, so I'm adding and working the colour in. Now, because it's transparent and not opaque, if one area is thicker than another, it'll appear to be darker. So I'm trying really hard to be mindful of not going too thick in one place. If we go too much into the grey or the background, then okay, no problem. I've brought the background down a little anyway, so we can grow it a little bit up.